Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the connection visible. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then keep your screen unlocked so the device advertises itself. Open the photo, video, or document you want to send and tap the share icon. This invokes Android's share sheet. Choose Quick Share from the options. If you don't see it, swipe the sheet left to reveal more apps. Once chosen, pick Visibility. Visible to everyone for speed, or Contacts only to limit discovery. This begins device discovery immediately. Now focus on pairing with the recipient. Make sure the other Samsung device has Quick Share enabled and its screen unlocked. This improves reliability. You'll see nearby devices populate the list. Tap the name of the person you want to send to. If you need to share with more than one device, select additional recipients before you hit send. The sender negotiates a direct, encrypted link. You'll see a progress indicator showing transfer speed and remaining time, so wait until it completes. Finish by having the recipient accept the incoming file. Once accepted, the file lands in Gallery for media or downloads for documents. If transfer stalls or fails, immediately move both devices closer and toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This resets the radio handshake. Make sure both devices run updated Samsung One UI. Outdated software can block Quick Share. If problems persist, go to Settings, Apps, find Quick Share, and clear cache, then retry. This often fixes discovery or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.